Hey guys, welcome back to a video. Now today, I'm going to be messing around with, hold on, just listen. You might know what this is. This. Oh, by the way, these are awesome headphones. Not sponsored by the video, but they're $60 if you have that money. Go on Amazon and see if you can find them. They're Bluetooth and wireless. Not Bluetooth and wireless, Bluetooth and wired. Hopefully it just didn't break the camera. Yep, we're good. Okay. Now, ignore any background noise you hear. I'm gonna try something. So I'm just looking at something. I have my own bullets. Oopsie, I almost forgot. That wasn't me. Sorry, I'm just moving stuff out of the way so I can do something. Alright. Ignore the pool. Darn it, I'm just dropping everything today, aren't I? Take this bit of light. That should be good, yeah. Alright. Now don't judge me, I got this a few years ago. Now, I use it for my Nerf bullets. Now, it's actually really helpful because it holds all of them. And I got a lot. So I'm just trying to grab some Nerf bullets. Not that one. Okay. So, see this Nerf gun. Do not shoot these in your house. They might not seem like they're hard, but they can break stuff, depending on which one you have. Now, I'm only doing this because this one, hold up. This one doesn't like shooting. There we go. Doesn't hurt. Load this up. As you can see, there's not. It's loaded in. This, the car. You guys. Whoopsie. Hold on, guys. Reach. Nope. We're gonna see how this goes. I'm gonna test. Darn it! It's glitching out. They're just trying to zoom you guys out. Alright. See this? This is gonna be hard because I only have one hand. You guys right there. I have a lot of time. Just gonna aim it right here. Darn it. So take one. Missed. Try a little bit too early. Whoopsie. Hi guys. Send this back. It's right there. But darn it. Take two. I actually don't know if I hit that. Alright, ready? Take three. I don't know if I hit that either. None of you guys see. I wish I could put it in slow-mo. Can't. They get those types of cameras are really expensive. Another one, guys. You ready? Okay. Make sure it's all cocked, locked, and loaded. Ready? Get it back here. Eat. Whoopsie. You guys, it might look weird, but helping me. Stuck. There you go. I think I hit it that time. I couldn't tell. It's really hard. That's loaded. Okay. Once more. Ready, set, go. That time I hit it. I definitely did. Hello? So it is successful. This does travel fast enough to hit one. But my question is, about going sideways. That time did it even shoot? I actually don't know if that shot. Did I lose the bullet? If I did, that's okay. Alright, let's bring it back. Guys. There it is. It's going backwards. Hit it. Bring this back. Okay. So one last one I want to test out, and that's only because I think I just nope, not even a one. Hold up. Hey guys. Back to the animal of ammo and destruction. Where the heck is all my ammo? Oopsie, sorry. First of all, you guys, I zoomed in. Second of all, let's get enough. Let's get enough for 2. This one might give me trouble, but this was worth the experiment. Alright. Flip it back. Now, this is the sling fire. Really cool. This is the ammo. Come over here. It takes 3. 1, 2, 3. Darn it. Don't want a zombie strike for this. It doesn't work well with zombie strikes. Don't know why it's a zombie strike gun. But it doesn't work with zombie strike bullets well. I don't know why. Like those bullets right there, so you know they aren't used. These are unedited videos. Just to let you know. Alright. Guys ready? Sling fire shot test. Way too early. Alright, I'm gonna stop with that. Woo! Alright. I'm gonna leave the video off of here with another vlog. If you liked it, hit gently shoot the like button. Pow. And just go down there and subscribe as well. That would be awesome. Wait, what's that? Oh yeah, don't forget. I upload every day. I stream as well. I'm not going to stream until this Thursday, though. So, well, I stream on 2. My first stream is going to be either Thursday or, so my stream is either going to be here on Thursday on YouTube, or something called Mixer. Just go into the App Store if you're on phone or a tablet and your actually no, it's already downloaded on your Xbox. If you're watching on an Xbox, go down there and just go to your apps and it should say Mixer. It's when like if you have a friend, it should say blah 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 is broadcasting. That's what it is. Now I broadcast on that and I broadcast on regular YouTube. Alright. So, and my broadcast name is my YouTube name, but without a space on Mixer. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. What? Said that too early. Sorry. Bye. Have a nice day. If you liked it, shoot the freaking like button. Or take your car and go. Oh! Run it over. Hold up. Run it over. run it over. Like, just run into it and destroy it. Go down there and subscribe as well. Have a wonderful, beautiful day. See ya. Did I tell you to subscribe? Okay, good. Bye. That wasn't me. Alright. But for real now. Goodbye.